Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious zucchini soup, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh zucchini, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready, and for richness, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget your seasonings. Salt, black pepper, and a touch of nutmeg will elevate the flavors. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by thoroughly washing your 2 pounds of zucchini, then chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, take your 1 medium onion and dice it evenly, and mince your 2 cloves of garlic very finely. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother. Ensure your 4 cups of vegetable broth are measured out and ready to go. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to start cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant, which takes about 3 minutes. Then, add the chopped zucchini, cooking for 5 to 7 minutes until it begins to soften. Finally, pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes. The final steps bring everything together for a wonderfully creamy soup. Carefully transfer the cooked mixture to a blender or use an immersion blender and blend until it's perfectly smooth. Return the soup to the pot, stir in your 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg to taste. Heat gently for about 2 minutes, then serve warm, perhaps garnished with fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.